how to add borders to any section on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a border or top and bottom and also round corners or borders into your Shopify sections. So the process is going to be very easy. We're going to do a little bit of a CSS coding. That means that we're going to work on the aesthetics of the sections, and it is going to be more than easy. So where I am going to give you a little bit of a code, 3-4 lines. It is not going to be complicated. All you need to do is to copy and paste them into the CSS section for the section that you want to add the borders. So now we're going to head over first to the Shopify App Store, or not the Shopify App Store, but basically the Shopify store. Then we are going to head over here and we are going to head over the settings. Or before the settings, I can go ahead and do that without the settings, but heading over the online store. So we can go ahead and head over the online store and then select themes. From the themes, we're going to select the current theme that we work on and click on customize. Now I'm going to see the Shopify builder or the shop builder. We're going to see the different sections. I can go ahead and add a template or a section for the template, which is going to be considered as the body of the website. Can go ahead and add a, as you can see, collection list. For example, a collage, slideshow, whatever. And the most important thing here is not to forget that we have the code. I have divided the code to two parts. The first part is going to be the section top and bottom border, and the second part is add border around the section. So let's start by this one, the first one. I'm going to copy this code and we are going to put it here. So we are going to select maybe the slideshow or the collection list, click on it, and we are going to scroll down and you are going to see custom CSS. As you can see, I have this custom CSS. I can go ahead and have, as you can see here, the specific borders. I have put this, and as you can see, I have the blue color border. So this is it. So I can go ahead and have selected another one, which is going to put also in the, let's say, appearance, the borders. This is the top and bottom borders. Now I am going to add to this one, so it is going to show up well the borders from the around the section. Copy it, paste it, so you're going to have a good idea. I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to select another section so you can see that I have added the borders. So as you can see, the difference between this section and that is going to be the borders. Here we have the blue or the green borders. And as you can see here, we do not have, and here neither. So now let me explain a little bit the code. So if I click on the section, now for the border top, you're going to have the solid 5 pixels. We can go ahead and increase or decrease the, let's say here, the border, let's say I'm going to name it the thickness of the border. So I'm going to have it as 3 pixels. So it is going to decrease a little bit. So I'm going to select another one and you're going to see that it is going to decrease a little bit. Now for this one, you can go ahead and change also the color by having this, the hex code. This is the color. And another thing, you can go ahead also and change the border bottom, which is going to be the top and the bottom one. So here on the CSS, as you can see, it is going to be implemented here. Let me explain it here. So the solid 5 pixels is going to be having the thickness. This hashtag or the hex code is going to control the color, and the important is going to make it appear. So also for this one, it is going to be the same. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.